I work at the Faculty of Education in Malmö, Sweden, and I specialize in the area of language didactics. So I teach students who are going to teach English, well, primary as well as secondary and upper secondary. And in all of our courses we have content related to the issues that the workshop is dealing with. We have courses for all our students dealing with CLIL, for instance. And since plurilingualism is part of the school system at the policy level as well, it's of course something that we promote and teach as well. As far as things that I have sort of thought of as a consequence of being here, it's of course incorporating or thinking through different dimensions. The word intercomprehension has dawned on me as a very, very important phrase that sort of encapsulates lots of the ideals, really. But I've sort of also had reason to think through some of the obvious, perhaps, contradictions and how what we do needs to be based on quite a high level of awareness. For instance, a bit paradox between, on the one hand, promoting communicative strategies like reformulation, paraphrasing, using what you have in the target language. On the other hand, knowing when a more plurilinguistic approach is useful. But that in itself, like code switching, mediating, will be based on contextual factors. In other words, whether the communication succeeds or not. So I suppose by looking at it both practically and in a more research-based way, we listened to very two interesting research presentations this morning. One is, inspired to reflect on what it actually means from the perspective of teacher education, where there of course has to be a link to practices at the school level.